Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang Mystic Queen Power Bracelet. So para sa mga naghahanap ng Evil Eye Bracelets, available na po ang dalawang klase ng Evil Eye Bracelet sa ating shop. So meron tayong Selenite Evil Eye at Obsidian Evil Eye Bracelet. So parehas lang merong protection and cleansing properties. Ang kaibahan nga lang is ang Selenite is nagre-recharge rin siya ng mga crystals and semi-precious stones na kasama niya. So pwedeng isuot nyo to alongside with other bracelets and i-recharge din niya yon. Ayan. And marami rin tayong iba pang mga bracelets dito for protection and also for healing, attraction ng money, love, and prosperity. Ayan. So, lahat po yan nasa aking online shop. Pakicheck nyo na lang po. Lahat ng link ay nasa description. Happy shopping! Leo, hi. Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. Titignan natin ang energies ng inyong kaperahan. Money, career, finances for September 2023. This is a general reading. Maari kayong makarelate. Maaring hindi. Just take what resonates. Panoorin nyo rin yung Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs ninyo para sa iba pang mensahe. Meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon. Link on the description. Thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Ayan, just a reminder, Leo, that you have the power to create your own reality. So, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Okay, let's see, Leo. September 2023, kaperahan, money, career, finances. Your overall energy. You have the Lovers. Meron kayong contract na papasukin, commitment, bagong maaring business partnership ito, or may pipirmahan kayong kontrata. Yung iba naman sa inyo, if you are in a relationship right now, maaring papasok kayo sa business ng iyong romantic partner, or pwede rin tong anyone na mahal mo sa buhay. What is your challenge? Ace of Swords. As a challenge, maaring meron ka pang mga ideas na hindi mo pa nasasabi. Or hindi mo siya masyadong na-express. Oo. Pagdating kasi sa partnership, medyo mahirap na kasama dyan yung romantic partner, no? Kailangan lang merong clear sa inyo, malinaw sa inyo kung ano yung rules, policies ninyo sa business na yan. Oo. But if this is not a business partnership, kung ito ay kontrata na pipirmahan mo sa bago mong trabaho, kailangan alam mo yung terms and conditions, no, nung kontrata. Naiintindihan mo, binasa mo, para just in case nagkaroon ng problema, alam mo na aware ka doon, diba? Let's see your opportunity. You have the World. Uy, may opportunity for you to travel the world, or pwedeng online to. Online na business or global market. 'Di ba? Yung tipong itong business na to or trabaho na to, pwedeng makukuha mo to sa ibang bansa. May offer. May opportunity for you. This is your blessing. The Page of Cups. Someone that will fulfill your happiness, no? Meron kang business career, trabaho na mag-e-enjoy ka. Magiging masaya ka rito kasi parang magagamit mo yung creativity mo, yung talents mo, pwedeng pangarap mo na to dati pa. What is the Lovers? You have the Knight of Swords. Oh, ito na nga. Kasi minsan, pag sa business, mahirap haluan ng romantic connection, no? Kailangan lang malinaw kung sino yung magiging in control or may last say. Kasi pwede magkaroon dito ng misunderstanding or miscommunication. Okay? Let's see, what is the Ace of Swords? You have the Chariot. So, as a challenge, maaring mahirapan na mag-move forward yung business, yung career, trabaho, kung hindi malinaw yung terms and conditions, yung laman ng kontrata, yung job description, yung position clarification na tinatawag. Kasi 'di ba pag sa business, dapat ina-identify nyo kung ano yung responsibilities, yung obligation ng bawat isa, nagagampanan ng bawat isa. Lalo na kung ito ay business partnership. Para walang turuan, o sa'yo to, 'di ba? Walang sisihan. Alam nyo kung para kanino yung trabaho. Kasi maaaring maging cause yan ng issue in the long run. What is the world? Okay. You have the Four of Swords. Some of you, yung opportunity ninyo sa ibang bansa, pwedeng ipagpapaliban nyo muna. Maaring meron kayong gusto pang subukan na parang pangalawa siya. Yun yung nasa sense ka dyan. Parang pangalawa na option. Yung pagtatrabaho sa ibang bansa or going global. Kasi you still want to see yung local. Halimbawa, business ka, no? May business ka. So, ang scope mo muna is yung localities, no? Halimbawa, sa Pilipinas yung business mo, pwedeng online business, pero ang sakop nun is buong Pilipinas lang. Although may opportunity ka na to go global, pero kailangan ma-establish mo muna yung local para maging madali na lang din sa'yo yung mag-expand international. Let's see what is this? Oh, may mentorship dito. So, ang blessing sa inyo rito is you will have a mentor, coach, teacher, na magbibigay sa inyo ng kaalaman, tutulong sa inyo, na mas lalo nyong laliman yung kaalaman nyo sa negosyo na to, or sa business na to, or sa trabaho na to na pinasok nyo. You mesmerize people with your charm and elegance. Yes. You use your confidence to your advantage. O yung iba sa inyo, maaring kayo mismo yung magdadala ng product ninyo, ng business ninyo, because you can carry yourself well, you are so confident. Kung sa trabaho naman to, nakikitaan ka ng potential ng boss mo, no? Na maging parang i-groom ka. I-groom ka for maging person in position or person in authority in the future. Parang i-mentor, ganon. Self-made. Meron daw opportunity for you to do things on your own. So, ito na nga yung business na nabanggit ko sa inyo kanina. Meron kang mga nagawang projects na ililid ka para maging independent. May financial freedom. Communicate. Ito na yung sinasabi ko sa inyo sa communication. Sharing your voice to speak your truth will show your authenticity and expression. So, kapag sa communication sa trabaho, sa business, lalo na kapag kasama mo dyan kapamilya, romantic partner, kailangan open yung communication nyo dyan para iwas sa misunderstanding. Stay low-key as you get the job done. Ayan. So, low-key lang daw. Parang, work in silence. Ayan. And your success will speak for you. Tama ba? Ganun. Let's see what else. Stay low-key. You don't need to brag. Oo. Just focus on your goal. The shadow. Meron kayong kailangang ayusin. I-shadow work. I-release the things that are blocking you from achieving your success. And rose quartz, inner child. So, you're going to heal your inner child, or maaring this is your creativity, your creative talents, your creative skills is going to help you na mas maging productive. So you are going to work on it, no? You are the joy seeker. What little victories can you celebrate? Yes. So, anything, any milestone, no, as long as nakikita mo na may progress, appreciate mo yun. And the more that you appreciate your progress, the more na mas nagiging maganda sa'yo yung takbo ng negosyo, business, or ng career mo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Leo. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Leo. See you again.